Welcome back everyone. This is our looking at the charts report. Today we'll be looking at 4 charts. First is EUR/USD, second is GBPUSD, third is WTI, and fourth is copper. First, EUR/USD 4-hour chart. Now in our opinion, the currency pair has been in a decline for most of January, thus we maintain a sideways outlook with bearish tendencies. At the moment, EUR/USD is trading nearby our S1 121.25 support level, but the line has not been clearly tested. Lower we have noted the S2 120.60 support hurdle, and even lower the S3 119.90 line as possible stops in a selling scenario. On the other hand, if the currency pair regains upward momentum, then the R1 122.10 resistance level could be tested first, as the price activity was nearby it from the 12th to the 13th of January. Higher, we have also in mind the R2 122.75 barrier, and at the top, we have set the R3 123.45 level. Please note the R3 is a multi-year high price which has not been seen since 2018. The currency pair could be dominated by USD activity, and the political developments in the US at the moment should be closely monitored by anyone trading EUR/USD. Moving to GBPUSD 4-hour chart, cable has managed to remain above our current S1 136.15 support level, even though this line was tested continuously today, the 14th of January, but also yesterday. Other levels we have noted to the downside and below our S1 are the S2 135.40 barrier and the S3 134.50 hurdle, which have both been tested in the current week, making them still relevant for the currency pair. The R1 137 resistance level represents the highest price reached by GBPUSD since late April 2018. The next levels higher are the R2 137.80 and the R3 138.50, which in our opinion could become targets for the bulls. We would like to emphasize the economic calendar related to GBP for Friday the 15th of January. With a plethora of financial releases, GBP is prone to come under volatility, and caution is advised. Moving now to copper 4-hour chart. Copper has been on the rise since mid-March 2020 and has broken above multi-year high levels just very recently in December. Nevertheless, copper's price has seen a somewhat important correction lower on the 11th of January that forced the industrial metal to give some of the ground gained in the previous week back. At the moment, copper is trading just between our R1 3.65 resistance level and our S1 3.60 support level. In our opinion, a resurgence higher could send copper to test the R1, as was the case on the 13th of January. Higher, we have set the R2 3.69 line as the next possible target, while at the top, we have placed the R3 3.73 barrier as the highest level reached in multiple years. Copper's price depends mostly on industrial activity in the US, but also China. Thus, what is expected to take place in these economies in the following months could affect the metal's price accordingly. Moving to WTI cash 4-hour chart. WTI stabilized just below our current R1 53.50 resistance level in the latest 4-hour sessions. Yet the commodity has maintained its upward movement formed since the previous months, and as long as WTI trades above $50 per barrel, we keep a bullish outlook in place. Other levels we have noted in case of a continuation of the upward trend are the R2 56 line and the R3 58 barrier. In case of a correction lower, however, we could say that the commodity could first test the S1 51.50 line. If the S1 is breached downwards, we may see the S2 49.50 level coming into play, or even the S3 47.50 hurdle if the drop is strong enough. The RSI indicator has fallen below the 70 level for the time being, but this may be evidence of the gradual ascendance that WTI has seen since the past months. Today, the 14th of January, we get the OPEC monthly report, and WTI may come under increased volatility depending on the significance of the information presented in it. That's the end of this report. We hope you enjoyed it as well as found it useful. If you like this video, please make sure you share and subscribe. Thank you very much for your time and enjoy solid trading.